Precision crafts the core.
Carbon fiber sheets meticulously layered for the Bugatti's chassis. Inside the autoclave,
Immense heat and pressure transform raw carbon fiber.
Precision engineering begins.
Transforming raw aluminum into the heart of a Bugatti engine.
Complex internal structures begin to emerge. Shaping the powerful W16 engine block. Final precision cuts sculpt the W16 engine block to microscopic tolerances. In a pristine clean room, American specialists begin crafting the heart of a legend.
The Bugatti W16 engine. There.
Each piston is carefully placed, a testament to engineering precision and skilled hands. Four powerful turbochargers are integrated, ready to unleash the engine's incredible performance.
The mighty W16 engine, a masterpiece of power and precision.
Stands ready for the next stage.
Precision engineering begins with a perfect foundation for unmatched performance.
Every tiny component, like the synchronizer ring, ensures flawless gear changes.
A final meticulous inspection ensures every internal detail meets Bugatti's rigorous standards.
At the heart of Bugatti's performance,
Each W16 engine undergoes rigorous quality control.
Internal structures are meticulously examined, ensuring flawless performance before final approval. The powerful W16 engine and transmission are meticulously prepared for their union with the chassis.
Telemetry looks good, holding steady at 500 millimeters per minute.
Confirmed. The ballast is perfect.
precision is paramount as the powertrain gracefully descends towards its carbon fiber home.
Torque sequence complete on the subframe.
Confirmed. Alignment is precise. Proceed.
Every connection is scrutinized, ensuring flawless integration for the ultimate driving machine.
According to the schematic, the energy transfer nexus should align precisely here.
And the thermal output remains within tolerance at peak velocity.
Yes, the diagnostic confirms it.
Precision defines every connection.
As skilled hands meticulously craft the supercar's intricate nervous system.
Titanium bolts are torqued to exact specifications, a testament to uncompromising structural integrity.
Every circuit undergoes rigorous diagnostic checks, guaranteeing flawless performance.
The final connection is made, a symphony of precision, ready to power unparalleled performance. Precision begins with the exquisite carbon fiber body panels.
Even microscopic tolerances are corrected, ensuring flawless lines.
Skilled American artisans begin the meticulous polishing of the Bugatti's exquisite black surface.
With progressively finer compounds, the surface begins to reveal its deep, reflective quality. Hours of dedication culminate in the flawless black mirror finish, a testament to craftsmanship.